Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix setting you must change on the iPhone in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn on battery percentage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. On the battery page, turn on battery percentage. Solution number 2. Home screen blur. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap wallpaper, tap customize, tap blur and tap done. Solution number 3. Select background app refresh to Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap journal. On the journal page, tap background app refresh. Again tap background app refresh. Select Wi-Fi. Solution number 4. Haptic keyboard feedback. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap sound and haptics. Scroll down, tap keyboard feedback, turn on haptic. Solution number 5. Notification view on lock screen. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap notification. Select can't. Solution number 6. Safety check. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy and security. Scroll down, tap safety check, tap emergency reset. Solution number 7. Select single tap under Safari. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Safari. On the Safari page, scroll down, select single tap. Solution number 8. Turn on protect mail activity. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap mail, scroll down, tap privacy protection, turn on protect mail activity. Solution number 9. Turn off notification location. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap location services, turn on location service, tap system service, scroll down, turn on notification locations. Solution number 10. Turn off automatic verification. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID. Tap password and security. Scroll down. Turn off automatic verification. Thanks for watching this video.